for amazing millionaire life, for a perfect husband, for beautiful children, for everything. You need vitamin C. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping It Real with Yogasini. I am Yogasini, also known as Radhika Bose. If you are new to my channel, I post a whole lot of videos, fitness, fashion, makeup, skincare, and today's video is a skincare video. Now, I don't know if you've heard of vitamin C. Have you heard of vitamin C? Well, if you haven't heard of vitamin C, you're definitely living under a rock, because every beauty guru, every skin specialist, everyone out there will say you need vitamin C for wrinkles, for dark spots, for collagen boost, for amazing millionaire life, for a perfect husband, for beautiful children, for everything. You need vitamin C. Now, I think I'm done with my bullshitting for the time being. Now, why is vitamin C important and why do you actually need it for your skincare routine? And because I'm such a skincare specialist, no I'm not, I just try these things and see what works for my skin, and vitamin C really works. Hence I'm here telling you what is vitamin C all about. So yes. Now, let me first tell you what are the benefits of using vitamin C. So first and foremost, vitamin C boosts collagen, and collagen boosting in your skin means no fine lines, no wrinkles, glowing, youthful skin. So yes, that's the first thing vitamin C does. The second thing is an antioxidant. That means it repairs and renews skin cells. So again, it helps with wrinkles and fine lines. Yes, we are at a certain age, like I am definitely at a certain age where I am constantly checking आज कौन सा line आया है मुंह पर. So yeah, first I used to worry about stretch marks, now I worry about wrinkles, next I'll worry about getting Alzheimer's. I don't know, old age is not fun. The third thing vitamin C does is helps in getting even skin tones. So if you have pigmentation or dark circles or dark spots on your face, it helps with that. It brightens your skin, means in other words, if you want to get fair, you can use this, but that is not what this channel is all about. It does give you a glow, so yes. It helps you in sun damage, but be very careful after putting anything vitamin C related on your face. Don't go out in the sun. It'll burn your skin and that won't be good for your skin. So yeah, that's the first pointer I'll tell you with regards to vitamin C. Now, if you are into skincare and if you are into protecting your skin and nourishing your skin, you will have come across a lot of vitamin C products. There is a It Skin Vitamin C Serum, there is Saint Botanica, maybe I'm getting the name wrong, but that has a vitamin C serum. I think Clinique also has a vitamin C thing. All big skincare brands will have a vitamin C lotion or a serum or an oil or something or the other, and they cost a bomb. I think the cheapest I have bought was for $1,000. So what do? Do we spend so much money on skincare? Well, if you have the money, go for it, spend it, see if it works for your skin. But I came across this amazing DIY vitamin C serum that you can make at home, and I was like, wow, this is like the easiest serum without spending more than $500. It means I think I spent less than $500. Now, what are the ingredients you need to make the serum? You need precisely 4 things, and these 4 things are easily available. It may be in your medicine box for all you know, or it may be in your backyard, or it may be already a part of your skincare. So first and foremost, you need vitamin C. Now, you can get vitamin C tablets, which you crush them and then make a powder of it. Or if you are lazy like me, you can buy a vitamin C powdered sachet from Amazon. I'll put the links in the description. You can buy it. No, Amazon does not sponsor me. Amazon does not pay me. I just buy everything off Amazon. So hence, I know where to get these ingredients from. That is your first ingredient, the most important ingredient. The second ingredient is glycerin. You can find glycerin anywhere. Go to your local chemist, go to your nukkar ka dukaan. Mama ko pucho, mama ke paas glycerin hoga. All mothers above the age of 40 put glycerin in their skincare routine. My mother has been doing it all her life. She's almost touching 60 and people still think she's my sister, which is not fun. No. I'm 30, she's almost 60. We're not sisters. Also, I have a lisp. Please bear with my talking because Invisalign लगाया है, वीडियो जानना है, देख लो किधर होगा चैनल में, देख लो. Anyhow, the third item you need is aloe vera. In case you do not want to buy store-bought aloe vera, I have an amazing video of making aloe vera gel at home. Find the link here, there, or go to our channel, subscribe, find the link over there. In case you do not want to make aloe vera at home, you can buy it from anywhere. Aloe vera is available anywhere, but they will have some impurities like chemicals and parabens and all those things. If you want pure aloe vera, check my channel. If you want chemical wala aloe vera, go buy it. Yeah, do whatever you want to. Anyhow, the fourth ingredient is vitamin E capsule, which is another great ingredient for wrinkles, for finer skin tone and all that jazz. These are the 4 ingredients you need to make your DIY vitamin C serum. Now I shall tell you how to make it. Take a small bowl, mix the vitamin C powder and glycerin, whisk or blend until the powder is fully dissolved. Add the aloe vera gel and blend again. Mix the vitamin E and make sure all the ingredients have formed a smooth paste. Store the serum in an amber bottle. Store it in a place with minimum light exposure. If you do not know what an amber bottle means, an amber bottle is a dark colored bottle which is of a darker color. It's not transparent, it's not translucent. I am actually recycling my Bilbaha facial oil bottle because my oil got over, and I do not throw these bottles away because they come with a dipper and they're really good packaging and really good bottles, so I repurpose them. Now, how to use this serum? Very simple. At night, please do this at night, don't do this in the daytime. At night, before going to sleep, do your at night skincare routine. Wash your face, scrub your face if you want to. I use the Luna Mini to scrub my face once a day, and then I put my vitamin C serum, tap it on my face, pat it, moisturize my face and go off to sleep. In the morning, the first thing I do is wash my face, because please do not wear, and I am reiterating and I'm repeating myself, and I know both the words mean the same, but sometimes people will make the mistake and you will ruin your skin. Please do not wear vitamin C and go out in the sun. You will really damage your skin. There will be skin burns. So listen from a half-baked beauty blogger, YouTuber, fitness, whatever. Do not wear vitamin C out in the sun. That's it. That's my only gyan for the day. This is how you make a DIY vitamin C serum. It is so simple. It can be made under 500 bucks and it can be made at home. You do not need to do anything. If you're lazy at me, go to Amazon, get these 2 ingredients, aloe vera. Aloe vera तुम्हारे पार्क में मिलेगा. जाके एक aloe vera leaf निकालो और see my video how to make the gel, and there you go. That's it. I hope you make this serum. I hope you thank me later for your amazing skin or whatever. I hope you just benefit from the video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like, comment. Let me know if this video was useful or not, or if I'm just wasting my time on YouTube, because I'm not getting the views, I'm not getting the subscribers. I just feel I'm wasting my time. But I like creating content, so if there are also 5 people watching it or 10 people watching it, I'll still make it. Anyhow, I'm also on the social medias. Instagram, Facebook, follow me there as well. And yeah, come back to my channel. My phone is buzzing, so it's time for me to go. Bye!